I love mashed potatoes, but sometimes the classic style needs a little change. So today, scallion braised pork chops. Trust me, if you love mash like me, you will love this. Firstly, let's trim the edges of the pork chop so it won't curl later. Pound it to make it tender. Rub with ginger to remove the smell. Marinate with salt, pepper, and egg white for 10 minutes. Dust with starch to make it tender and prevent splattering later. Sear both sides with medium heat until golden. Saute scallions in left oil until fragrant. Put the chop back. Add cooking wine, soy sauces, and plenty of sugar. Add water halfway up. Bring to a boil, then cover. Simmer 25 minutes. Let's peel potato. Steam the potato for 20 minutes. Let's mash it. Now, you can shape the potato any shape you like. Perfect time match. Play the chop and scallions. Don't forget the sauce. That's the point. Let's pour the sauce over the mash. Wow, please enjoy.